we're heading out, guys. So, go. Hello guys, so welcome back again to my channel. And yeah, as you can see on my video, so this is a day in my life as a mom, as a stay-at-home mom. So it's already been 12:30 and I've been in my, or galing ko lang from my quick errand. Meron lang akong binayaran na bill kanina, so I had to rush in kasi afternoon na. And then when I got home, before that I went on to a quick grocery shopping for at least 2 or 3 packs of snacks for my kids para pambaon snacks nila sa school. And as I have mentioned, it's already 12:30 and biglang may nag-chat sa group chat ng anak ko, yung youngest ko, na may meeting sila, PTA meeting. So ayan, ano ba tong kinuha ko? So ayan guys, mag-retouch lang ako. This is from Everbelina, the matte face powder. Sorry guys, actually nagmamadali na tayo, and after kong quick grocery, umuwi na agad ako, and then nagluto ko ng lunch natin kasi mas nakakamura tayo, diba? Or mas nakakatipid tayo pag sa bahay tayo nagluto. And also iba pa din kasi yung lutong bahay. So ayun, yan. So just a quick retouch lang, pang patanggal ng oily natin sa face. And then itong next is, teka lang, ay hindi to, eyeliner to. Wait guys, lipstick tayo. Ito ang gagamitin ko from Careline Kiss Stick. Ayan. So I haven't make a video, or hindi ako nakapag-video doon sa labas kasi it's a really quick errand. Hindi na ako nakapag-video. Ayan, so blend lang natin gamit itong fingers natin kasi it's super dark nito pag dinamihan mo. So yan, and yan, and itong sobra na to is ilalagay natin dito sa cheeks para meron tayong blush on, konting blush on. Ewan ko kung kita nyo dito. Parang hindi. So anong oras na? It's 12:35. Parang wala lang tong blush on na nilagay natin. Ito naman, gagamitin natin mag blush on tayo ng onte. Itong Careline oil control blush on in a color of peach glow. And then, kuha lang tayo ng brush. Ayun, naputol na yung brush, guys. Ayan. So, tap lang tayo ng konti, and then yan. So, ayan. Okay na to, guys. Meeting lang naman tayo for PTA meeting. And also, signing of cards na din. And on top of my lips, after ko maglagay nito my care line, lalagyan ko din ng lip gloss. This is from Everbelina as well. So, kung kita nyo, medyo wala na siyang masyadong laman kasi gamit na gamit sa akin to. So, every time lumalabas ako, ito yung ginagamit kong lip tint or lip gloss. Ina-on top ko lang siya sa any lipsticks na nilalagay ko. Kasi, nagsha-shine siya, guys. Yan. So, that's it for our look for today. Teka lang, nalubat ako, guys. Ayan. Close lang muna natin. So, I believe mag-ano lang ako. Magpo-ponytail lang ako kasi sobrang init sa labas. And then, pero magpapayong din naman tayo. No? Suot lang natin tong relo. Kasi para makita natin yung oras. Kung ano na ang oras, guys. Yan. So, I'm ready for this PTA meeting and for the signing of cards. So, brush lang natin unta yung eyebrows natin kasi medyo, ano na, kalat na siya. Yan. And we go for the shades. Kasi mainit siya sa labas, guys. Okay? Pwede naman tayo siyang ilagay dyan. Ayan. Hey guys, and yeah, we're at home. We're back at home and it's almost magto 2 hours yung PTA meeting, and yes, it's all about the recognition, graduation, and as well the third year grading period nila and signing a card. And yeah, as in the live vlog, I guess. And yes, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.